everyone, welcome to Art Around House. I am Kala Ponnuri. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make these hanging planters using this container. Before I forget to mention, please don't throw these lids because in my next video, I am going to show you how to use these in an interesting way. So before going to the procedure, let's see what the materials are required. As it is a hanging planter, before we paint, first let's make holes in the container. Here you can take the help of this soldering machine or you can heat any old knife and make the hole. Here I want to mention that I used this electric cable wire to hang this, which is lying at home. I just reusing this electric wire, and you can buy it very easily in any shop, not at all expensive. And whenever you heat the plastic container or any plastic, cover your nose. So the first step is to paint the container. Here I am using Fevicryl fabric color. So always better to paint 3 coats or at least 2 coats, and let the first coat dry completely and then only you go for the second coat. If you are in a hurry to complete the whole process, you can take the help of the hair dryer. To hide the threads of the container, we will make a simple design on this part using Fevicryl 3D outliners. Now the design is ready. You can see the threads of the container is not visible. After the paint has dried, give 2 coats of varnish and then it becomes waterproof. Let me tell you about the plant now. This plant's name is pennywort. The leaves look like Brahmi plant, but it is not. And this plant needs lot of sunlight or bright light, so it is not an indoor plant and it is always better to kept outside. And this particular plant, the pot should not have any holes below, as this plant requires lots and lots of water. Always remember, the water should be inside the pot. You can grow this plant either in water or in soil. So here I am going to show you how to clean, or how to change the water. You have to change the water once in 10 days or once in 15 days. The roots are interwoven, so it's easy to pick it up. So this way, without disturbing the roots, and change the water and again place it inside. as I mentioned, this particular plant needs lot of light. It has to be hung outside. So even if you don't have any provision to hang them outside, don't get disappointed. I'm giving you one idea. You can get these kind of holders custom made with any local ironsmith, and this is how you can hang them. And this portion will go and fix on your existing grill. This way. So after finished making the planter, now coming to the display part. You can hang them like this on a stand and place them inside the house, on any corner of the tabletop or on any ledge of your furniture. So this is how you can make these hanging planters very easily with the container. So this is what Arthur On House is all about. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you did, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.